For those of you avid Ben's Garage subscribers, you might have seen this video. I will just put a little clip of the Stirling engine in action. I've just fired this one up, but I did build it on a Christmas live stream, not the last Christmas, the Christmas before. Fantastic. And you built it from scratch. Now I have painted this one up so it looks a little bit sort of old school, vintage, with the green and the red on the flywheel, this, that and the other. Now that kit was from a company called Enginediy. I will put all links in the description. They sent me an email and said, thank you for leaving a review on the product on the website. Could you leave us a review on Trustpilot, which, you know, it's reviewing their website. So I cheekily said, yeah, I'll leave you a 5-star review. How about sending me something that I can build on the channel? So they said, yeah, all right then. So we got this, turns up in the post. Now, it's not quite the same kit as that one behind me. I was hoping that it was something that I could build on the channel. But it's a little bit different to the one that I've got. And, you know, it's potentially could be more useful. But it comes with this. An LED light bulb. Some very random instructions. I will get onto that in a bit. That's just a cap that goes over the burner. Comes with a few Allen keys and some little LEDs in there. That's your burner that you put your alcohol in. And there is the Stirling engine. Now it's already built up, so we'll get over on the bench, we'll put it together, we'll see if we can get it fired up and see how bright this LED light is. It might be good in case, you know, case of an emergency. If we have a power cut and we've got no battery left, we might be lighting the house with this. Who knows? So I say there will be links in the description. There is a 10% coupon code as well. And so if you fancy building something like this, there's so many different engines that they've got over there. Some are cheap, some are quite expensive, but they're all really good quality bits of kit. Let's go over on the bench and have a quick look at this anyway. So you can see on there, there's two little terminals, which I'm assuming we'll just plug that straight onto it. Now, being an LED, it probably will only work one way round, so it's going to be trial and error. So you want 95% alcohol. cloth down because I will make a mess. It's going to go everywhere now, I've put too much in. Mop up some of this excess. There's a little magnet on there. Just pop that on the magnet. You want it to burn sort of on that part of the piston. Ooh, you put that up. Hey! Drop and get power cut.
It's quite late, isn't it?
Yeah. Now as it cools down, that should stop. And then the light should go dim. There you go, look at that. Did you like that? They're bloody wicked, those Stirling engines. I did look up how they work. There's a hot cylinder and a cold cylinder, and as the heat transfers through the transfer port, it pushes the cold cylinder, and then the cold puts cold air into the hot cylinder, and with a flywheel it'll, yeah, look it up if you want it, if you're interested. The first one I bought was a kit that you built from scratch. This one came completed, which I wasn't expecting, but it's just fantastic, just as an ornament, a desk ornament, or up on the shelves here. But that one might be useful. It doesn't burn a lot of fuel, and if you was ever stuck for power, what I would probably do, I would solder some wire onto those terminals, and then you could just crocodile clip that onto the terminals, because it's a little bit fiddly just getting it onto like this. I say alternator, it's just like a little generator, isn't it? But yeah, fantastic bit of kit. So there's links in the description. There's a discount code as well, and I'll put a link to some of the items that they've sent me links for. So thanks again to Enginediy.com. I think that's what the website is. Yeah, fantastic bit of kit. So if you like building engines on your kitchen table, say, go and check out Enginediy.com. There's a lot of stuff on there. Some stuff you can build from scratch. Other ones, like the one they've just sent me, just you put it together and you plug your wires on, this, that and the other. There's a lot of things on there, and there's some expensive ones that a lot of people are using in radio-controlled vehicles of some description. 4-cylinder engines, 8-cylinder engines, they do get quite expensive. But yeah, if that's your sort of thing, go and check them out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.